Welcome to the Startup Funding Espresso. I'm Hall T. Martin, where we talk about how to raise funding and invest in startups and the time it takes to drink an espresso. If you have a question about startup funding or investing, please go to the website, startupfundingespresso.com, and type in your question into the chat bot in the lower right corner to receive an answer. I hope you enjoy this episode. Hello, this is Hall T. Martin with the Startup Funding Espresso, your daily shot at startup funding and investing. Startup founders often believe their idea will carry the day with the investor. They propose their idea to spark interest. While that may be a good way to get attention, it will certainly not maintain it for long. Investors look for execution, not ideas. In raising funding, investors look for momentum and traction in the deal. They will look for evidence of execution in sales, team, product, and fundraise. These are the four core areas in which execution lives in a startup. Consider your efforts in those areas in crafting an update to the prospective investor. Showcase that story over a period of time, as execute occurs over time and not in a single moment. Having an idea is interesting, understanding the customer problem is helpful, and having a key insight is useful. Showing execution in a consistent manner is the winning ticket for gaining investor attention and interest. Consider these points in pursuing funding from investors. Thank you for joining us for the Startup Funding Espresso, where we help startups and investors connect for funding. Let's go start listening to today. Hall T. Martin is the director of Investor Connect, which is a 501c3 nonprofit dedicated to the education of investors for early stage funding. All opinions expressed by Hall and podcast guests are solely their own opinions and do not reflect the opinion of Investor Connect. This podcast is for informational purposes only and should not be relied upon as a basis for investment decisions.